train station. It's almost totally revealed. It's looking amazing. Hello everybody, it's Ricky and Mia. We're here at the Magic Kingdom. It's a day after the Boo Bash. We didn't make it yesterday. I was going to come here yesterday before the Boo Bash because we don't have a ticket for the Boo Bash. And I'm due to come here at the end of this month to the Boo Bash. So, yeah, I had some doctor appointments and that's what I had to do yesterday, so I was a little busy. But, right, Rick? And Ricky was busy too with his dad, but today we're here at the Magic Kingdom because we want to take a look at the Halloween decorations. We want to grab a bite to eat, and we want to go on Splash Mountain. Let me show you what we have on today. Ricky has his Splash Mountain shirt on. Look at that. And I have my Splash Mountain shirt on because we are going on Splash Mountain. Hopefully, if that rainstorm and that thunder doesn't hit soon. But anyway, I'm pretty sure we're going on that ride today. Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and Fantasyland. Okay, we want to show you when you come in through the arches into Main Street, USA. We want to show you these wrought iron doors. You have a hidden Mickey or a Mickey head up there. And then as you come down here, you can see the castle, Cinderella Castle. And you have some scroll detail on the sides. We're going into Chamber of Commerce and we're going to reserve our ride on Splash Mountain. Make sure we have a time booked because Splash Mountain can be pretty busy. So hopefully we can get on that ride like I said, but I'm pretty sure we can. Look at all the pretty decorations for fall and Halloween. Back here by Guest Relations, there's a really cool area. Ricky, why don't you stand right here, turn around, and show everybody. There's a really cool photo op area, which I think is awesome. Here, let's take a picture of Ricky. Yeah, one thing that's missing that I see here on Main Street are the decorative pumpkins that usually go in the area where the flowers are, and I'll show you that area. It's missing this year, and I don't think they're going to put them up. I honestly don't. There are usually pumpkins in this area decorating these little flower bed areas, but I don't believe that they're going to do it this year. Going to keep it nice and simple. Here's Photo Pass area with the pumpkins. I love this area. Walking down Main Street. Hey, Mr. Duck. Okay, we're gonna head to Splash Mountain, but I realized that our time is not till 3:05. But it looks like there is a storm brewing, and hopefully they won't close Splash Mountain out, and hopefully that storm won't show up right now, show up after we go on Splash Mountain, because right now it looks like it is going to rain. And we did hear thunder in the background. So I think we're gonna head to Casey's Corner and get a bite to eat. This is where Ricky and I are eating. Look at all the pumpkins above Casey's Corner. Here's some French fries. And there, the other pumpkin all the way over there it's a hot dog. And this pumpkin is a peanut and a baseball and a star. Okay, they're preparing our order. We have 4 items. Ooh, it's ready. It said it's ready. Let's go inside. are you?
I am good. How about you?
Good.
So brownie and 2 ice water.
Correct.
You don't mind the pen.
Wonderful. Thank you. Okay, so we have a Casey's baseball brownie. I thought it was a cupcake, but it's a brownie. And we have a foot-long chili and cheese dog. And we have fries, Ricky's favorite. Oh, and 2 bottles of the Dasani water. So we don't hydrate, so we don't dehydrate. Oh my goodness, chili and cheese dog might have not been such a good idea. It's so messy. Here we go, and I didn't grab napkins. That's okay. It's good. Stay here. I'm going to grab napkins, okay?
Right.
Ricky will talk to you. Talk to the family. Stay there. Eat it.
And my parents, so she was separated from the doctor.
Eat.
Okay, move down. I'm back with some napkins because it's going to be very much needed. Oh God. Here we go. Ah!
Thank you so much.
I told you it's going to be a mess. It's going to be messy, Ricky. I'm warning you now. Dog, eat it. It is so good. My mouth is a hot mess right now. Oh my God. Yeah. You know, it's messy, but it's worth it. It's worth it. The chili and cheese dog is so good here. Is it good? All right, Ricky. Yeah. I don't know why, but the food when you're out is so salty. I know, to make you drink more, but it's so salty. It's still very good, but it's a little salty for me. Anybody agree with me? Is it just me, or is it really because it is salty? I don't eat french fries all the time. I did, just like him, as a kid. I loved my french fries. But now, I only eat them sometimes. Yeah, you can have a rest. Mom's done. Anyway, Casey's Corner is awesome. Quick. It didn't take long at all. It's quick, easy meal. No fuss. But if you're going to eat that chili and cheese, remember to just grab a whole load of napkins. Okay. Next, I am going to bite into this brownie. This baseball brownie. Okay, all yours. It's good. The brownie is really good. It's so soft and moist. Not dry at all. Okay, so now we're heading to Splash Mountain. Right, Rick? Going on Splash Mountain ride? Ricky's favorite ride at MK. What's your favorite ride at MK? Comment below. Let us know. It's a little dark in here. So you'll see some of what's on the inside of the ride. But if you want to see the full ride, refer to our next video. Rare frog. We don't care.
Here, 2, row 6.
So we're in row 6, just behind the front. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Not really. What you'll do is you'll watch us in our other video on Splash Mountain. Actually, you'll just see Splash Mountain. You won't even see Ricky and I. So anyway, stay with us though, because there's more on this video to see. More exciting adventures with Ricky and Mia. That ride was satisfactual. Right, Ricky? Sing the song. Zippity. Come on, Rick, sing. Zippity do that. Come on, sing. Ricky, sing. Come on. Good job. Zippity yay. Okay, we got a little wet, not too bad. Just like the side of my pants got wet and the back a little bit. On my left side, I think Ricky got wet on the right side. No, Ricky got his shirt wet. Oh, Ricky is pretty wet. Show us how wet you got, Rick. Yeah, he got wet. We're moving on now. The ride got stuck a little bit a couple of times. But anyway, we had an awesome adventure on Splash Mountain. There are the country bears! Country bears! Woohoo! Hello! Hello! I'd like a sticker. Cool.
That'll be $100.
Oh, $100?
Have fun.
Oh, we will. Thank you so much. Here are our stickers. We have Riviera with Belle and the Beast, the Mickey and Minnie. It's all Riviera. It's just Mickey and Minnie and Belle and the Beast. Woo! Anybody like a sticker? Hey, maybe I'll put a few of these in the next giveaway. Sure, we can share. Ricky, can we share some of your stickers? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Okay, next we're heading into the Emporium. Let's go see if the Halloween merchandise didn't sell out yet. I'm sure a lot of it did, but I'm sure they'll be restocking and they'll be adding new merchandise very soon. So let's just go check it out anyway. Here are the Crocs, and you can add what do they call these? Croquettes? No. Giblets? No. I don't know what they call these, but anyway, you can add them to your crocks. Really cute. The sweatshirt is really nice. It's adorable. Here are the ears that are available now. Let's get a little closer. Okay, this must be the year of the Disney pumpkin with plaid. They're cute. I love them, but I love my bow on top of my head, but I may get these. They're so cute. Here is the jersey. Mickey Pumpkins. A lot of matchy-matchy. Here's the Bubble Bar Mickey and Minnie Halloween earrings. You know, these are really cute. I'm thinking about these. You know, I may get these. These are so cute. And here is, what's these, Binks, the cat. There's a keychain. Okay, the ears are so cute. Check these out. Plaid and orange. I love the bow. On the side it says haunted? Like flaunted, maybe? Haunted? Maybe. Okay, this might be one of my favorite items here. Happy Halloween. And it has Mickey and Donald and Goofy with the Mickey pumpkin. I'm loving this. And this is a Walt Disney World 2021 t-shirt. This sleeveless is really cute. It says, "Hey there, pumpkin." It's just adorable. And it's still really hot here. It'll be hot here all the way to Halloween and past Halloween. So you can wear it from now till November. We found Mickey in his Halloween costume. I never wear an apron, so it wouldn't be good for me, but it's really cute. It says, "If you got it, haunt it." And these dish towels are adorable. Happy Halloween. And it's two for the price of one. And there's candy on the back. A Happy Halloween Minnie. Minnie's in her little kitty costume. And she has a pretty polka dot dress. And she has her Minnie tail and another cat tail in the back. Adorable. Happy Halloween. For the little ones, there's your onesies with Mickey on it. Trick or treat. And then this one's for the little tiny ones as well. Happy Halloween. And another t-shirt which says Happy Halloween with Mickey, Donald, and Goofy on it. Okay, so here are the Sanderson sisters. There's Binks. There's a Hocus Pocus jersey. Here's the back of the Hocus Pocus jersey. Oh, and here are the other earrings. See, these earrings, I'll be honest with you, they're heavy.
I like this one.
They would kill your earlobes. These are a lot lighter, the pumpkins. I like this one. Oh my gorge. Tigger, Rabbit, Pooh, Piglet, and Eeyore. It's a treat seeing you guys up there. more is coming in, so hopefully soon. The other things, check with Disney Springs. I hear they may be getting some merchandise this weekend. Anyway, that's what I heard. Little birdie told me. But you can't be quite sure what the birdie tells you because sometimes those birdies can be wrong by a day or two. Okay, that's it for us. We'll be heading out of the park. We look forward to sharing Halloween season with you, Christmas season with you, my anniversary with my husband, Ricky's birthday, my husband's birthday, and more. So stay magical, and we'll see you, Ricky, real soon. Thank you, and that's our exit. Bye-bye.